Shiba Inu is exploding. Shibarium shows some huge numbers. We haven't seen that in almost a year. Are the billions of Shiba Inu burns coming now? Just like back in December, when Shibarium was doing insane numbers? History repeats itself and the whales are not asleep. Some huge things are happening behind the scenes, and we managed to capture some of the biggest moves. But what is actually happening? And why am I being so excited? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. A new discovery has just come to light, sparking some real concerns among the Shiba Inu community. This concern isn't out of nowhere either. It's based on a critical on-chain metric that suddenly reveals something unexpected about the condition of Shiba Inu holders. It's a twist that no one saw coming, especially for a community hoping to see steady growth. And while shocking news can feel like a real curveball, the Shiba Inu army knows all too well that unexpected things are almost the norm for them. In fact, this resilience to surprises sets the Shiba Inu community apart from others. They're unique, prepared to face the unexpected, and always ready to adapt. Qualities that define what it means to be part of the Shiba Inu movement. But anyway, what just happened? What is the concern? Well, the data shows that only 2% of Shiba Inu holders are short-term investors, meaning almost none of Shiba Inu's supply is being bought and sold quickly. This has started to stir up some real debate about Shiba Inu's demand and its potential for future growth. And at first, it doesn't make much sense. Why would this be a problem? Isn't it a good thing that people are holding onto their tokens? Well, not quite much. With a token like Shiba Inu, whose popularity skyrocketed thanks to meme culture and a massive hype wave, the lack of active short-term traders could signal a loss in its market share. Generally, if fewer people are trading in the short term, there's less speculative interest, which can be a red flag for a meme-based asset. On the positive side, having a strong base of long-term holders could mean stability, and that's usually a plus. But for a token driven by excitement, having so little short-term interest might mean a drop in the buzz and energy around it, which is worrying for many. This mix of stability and declining hype puts Shiba Inu in a fascinating spot, one that isn't typical for most crypto projects. Shiba Inu stands at a unique crossroads, balancing the traits of both a long-term asset and a meme-driven speculative token, and this makes its situation unlike most others in the crypto world. However, there's another metric hinting that something big might be brewing behind the scenes for Shiba Inu. Despite the ongoing downturn in both crypto and equity markets, Shiba Inu is emerging as a possible outlier, according to recent analysis by Sentiment. Shiba Inu is showing surprising upside potential, even as the broader market bull rally seems to be losing steam, and crowd speculation turns cautious. What makes this situation even more intriguing is the shift in market sentiment. After a long stretch of optimism, traders are now growing doubtful, and this shift in sentiment could mean something interesting for Shiba Inu. Sentiment's analysis points out that while crypto remains highly speculative, even for established tokens like Shiba Inu, there's a historical trend where markets often move in the opposite direction of popular expectations. This reversal pattern might just work in Shiba Inu's favor, suggesting that the community may be in for some unexpected growth, even as the rest of the market cools. For example, according to Crypto Basic, Shiba Inu has seen a huge 719% drop in one-day sentiment, revealing just how negative the mood has become among everyday investors. But here's the twist. Despite this overwhelming negativity, large holders have been quietly stepping up. Over the last 90 days, inflows from these major holders have surged by over 500%, signaling consistent accumulation. This trend suggests that some key players might be gearing up for an upward shift in Shiba Inu's value. Even in the past 30 days, inflows have jumped by 163%, hinting that large holders are strategically positioning themselves in case of future price movements. And in the short term, we're seeing steady interest too, with 7-day inflows rising by over 1%, showing stable commitment from bigger investors. This accumulation by major players, especially in the face of such strong negative sentiment, adds a fascinating layer to Shiba Inu's story. It hints that certain investors may be anticipating a reversal, even while the crowd is focused on the downturn. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. The large whales aren't alone in these moves. New data from Arkham Intelligence shows that an unknown whale has just pulled nearly 12.7 billion Shiba Inu tokens from Coinbase. This haul, worth just over $200,000, is more than just a one-time transaction. A deeper look into the address behind this withdrawal reveals something much bigger. This wallet was already holding a substantial amount of Shiba Inu tokens. With this recent addition, it now has a whopping 135 billion Shiba Inu, about $2.38 million in total. Over the past 2 days, this mystery whale has been consistently withdrawing large amounts of Shiba Inu from Coinbase, suggesting some serious intent. Why would someone pull such a large stash of Shiba Inu from an exchange like Coinbase? One reason could be that this buyer is bullish on Shiba Inu. But another, equally intriguing possibility is that this wallet could belong to Coinbase itself, preparing for something big. This theory gains even more weight when we consider that today, Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, suddenly began promoting Shiba Inu to its users. This Binance promotion has sparked new excitement within the Shiba Inu community, fueling speculation that major moves might be ahead for Shiba Inu. The timing couldn't be more interesting. An unknown whale removing massive amounts of Shiba Inu from Coinbase, combined with Binance suddenly spotlighting the token, is raising eyebrows and anticipation. Together, these signals hint that something substantial might be unfolding behind the scenes, and it's giving the Shiba Inu community plenty to talk about. And there's some breaking news that's sending the Shiba Inu community into a frenzy. Shibarium is finally taking off. When Shibarium first launched, it generated a wave of optimism, sparking excitement across both the Shiba Inu ecosystem and the broader Ethereum Layer 2 community. Since then, the network's growth has been steady, hitting various milestones at different paces. But today, Shibarium is showing something extraordinary. According to Shibarium's scan data, the protocol just recorded a massive 4.77 million daily transactions. While Shibarium's daily transaction count often fluctuates, this number is staggering. Earlier this month, it had seen lows of around 3,000 daily transactions, but this sudden leap to nearly 5 million is a surprising twist in its adoption story, and no one knows yet what exactly triggered this surge. This development is a major validation for the Shiba Inu team, who promised Shibarium's potential even when many doubted it. As a hub for decentralized applications and NFTs, Shibarium is buzzing with a vibrant community of developers who are constantly launching new projects. Their combined efforts may well be fueling this massive spike in transactions, showing just how alive the ecosystem really is. This is breaking news that's both unexpected and deeply significant. Shibarium's surge signals a new level of adoption and activity, confirming that something big is brewing within the Shiba Inu ecosystem. It's an exciting moment, hinting at even greater possibilities ahead. But the big question now is, will this surge in transactions actually stick around? Right now, this transaction spike has pushed Shibarium into a new league, making it one of the most actively used Layer 2 networks in the Ethereum ecosystem. To put it into perspective, L2Beat data shows that the top-performing Layer 2 network over the past 30 days has been Base, with 164 million transactions. If Shibarium can keep up this incredible pace, it could even surpass Base in the future. What's interesting is that it's unlikely that this surge is just a random jump. The numbers are too high and the difference too big to dismiss as a fluke. This level of activity matters because if Shibarium maintains its daily transactions, we could be looking at a situation similar to last December. Back then, Shibarium was also hitting millions of transactions daily, which generated significant revenue from gas fees. The Shiba Inu team was then able to convert that revenue to Shiba Inu tokens, burning hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Shiba Inu in the process. If this new transaction growth is sustained, it could mean a major boost in Shiba Inu's burn rate, shrinking the token's supply and potentially raising its value. A huge deal for the community. This possibility is why the hype is building. Shibarium's activity could lead to a big impact on Shiba Inu's future, and the community knows it. But what do you think about this? Let us hear your thoughts in the comments. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Shiba Inu update might make you lose money, so don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.